Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at SPY on the daily and weekly time frame. So we did break the high of the Brexit bounce of 210.49, but then there was profit taking. Yet again, the hourly 20-period moving average let us know when to go bearish, and this indication has been spot on the hourly time frame for the past 5 days, really. So let's look at that really quick. The 20-period, switching over. So we've got it holding the entirety of the bounce. As soon as it lost as support on that bounce, we knew to go bearish, and then it got rejected, and then it became support, so we knew to go bullish. Then it became resistance. Look where we topped out at the end of the day, little bounce, rejected from 209.56, that 20-period moving average resistance. So using this alone, sure, you missed some of the move, like you didn't get in on the first hour candlestick of the bounce, but waiting for that 20-period moving average has been a great gauge in terms of knowing which direction to be looking. And after we lost it here on SPY, we saw that further pullback. So let's say you got in on the worst possible entry on that hour that we lost the 20-period moving average down at 209.86 or 209.96. Still made a drop all the way to 208.63. So you saw a $1.20 drop from a late entry just by using this 20-period moving average. So now we're testing it as resistance. If we reject the price and it starts tomorrow as resistance, we still have a bearish stance. So I'm watching the volume decrease, I'm watching the price tighten, and I'm looking for a higher low to be maintained compared to 207.06, and then lower highs. So a tightening range on decreasing volume, and then at some point next week we'll see a clear bullish or bearish break. The weekly time frame for SPY is not confirming the big bullish reversal candlestick from last week. We are back testing and holding that key 10-week moving average support, so that does show some strength. But in terms of some nice bullish follow through, not seeing that this week. 210, tough resistance. We closed at 209.92 last week, so have not been able to close above 210 in quite some time. Definitely a key psychological level to watch for SPY. So our stance is determined by the hourly chart the past few days, and it has worked really well, so we're going to stick with it. And we're leaning bearish as long as that 20 period is resistance. Support will be 208.05, the 100 period on the hourly. If we cannot get above the 20 period, that's where we are headed. I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in. Have a great night.